What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you the DENTS from my September perfume tray. If you didn't see my September perfume tray video, I'll link it here. And in that video at the end, I did say I may come back and show you the DENTS, and some of you were interested. So that's what this video is going to be about. So it shouldn't take real long, but I wanted to show you anyway. Now, did I wish I got further than what I did? Yes. But hey, you know what I'm saying? I had a lot of perfumes on here, and September is not that long, so I did what I could, okay? So the first perfume that I showed you on my tray was the Jimmy Choo Forever, and it looks like this. And at the time that I showed you, the perfume was like basically where it is. It was like right at the hips or the waist. So I did get it down. It was maybe about right here. So I did get it down just a little bit. So yeah, didn't get as far as I wanted to get, but I got somewhere. So I'm happy about that. And I still have time to, you know, use it some more. So I'll put the notes on the bottom of the screen. I don't normally do that, but I'll try to do that just so you guys know what's in these perfumes and how they smell in case you haven't heard of them. So that was the first one. The next one that I showed you was the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. It was practically full, so I did use it. So I'm down probably a little less than an inch now, so I was able to, when you turn it upside down you can really tell, but from here I think I showed y'all that it was pretty much at the top. Now it's down to here, so I did use it. What I will say about this is that I wasn't in love with it like I was before. It smells good, don't get me wrong, I like the smell. Why I'm not in love with it is because it didn't last. For some reason, the smell didn't last, and maybe it's better when it's really hot outside. And now, you know, I was using it in September. It's getting a little bit cool. We're having a little cooler days, even though today is a hotter day, but we've been having some cooler days, so maybe that was it. So what I started doing, because it wasn't lasting, even though I was layering it with things, what I started doing, it was just using this as a scent to put on my workout days, kind of like I said I could do with the Ocean de Joya from the last tray, or the Tocca Giulietta from the last tray, because it's so fresh and smells really fresh and clean and a little bit bright. I started using it to make me feel a little bit fresher on workout days. So that's what I use. So it made me feel clean and smell clean and not sweaty and stuff like that. So that's what I started using this for. So I was able to use it a little bit, but for some reason it wasn't doing what I needed it to do as far as longevity is concerned. So I don't know, maybe when I try it again in the summer, in the hot summer, maybe it'll do better. We'll see. Okay, so the next one that was on my tray was the YSL Libre. I said I wanted to use it up, and it was about an inch down from the top. It's still pretty much an inch down from the top. It's a little bit lower. I was able to use this. I didn't need a lot of this because the scent does linger some, so I didn't have to spray as much as I felt like I had to spray with the Dolce & Gabbana. I also paired this with the Bath & Body Works Fairy Tale, so that made it last longer, and I didn't have to use as much of this. But I really love this scent, guys. I really love this scent, and I'm like, man, why did I put it on September? Because I kind of want to wear it in October too. Not that I can't, but you know. So there you go. I did get it down some, and remember before I was wearing the Dossier version of that. I still have a little bit of that left, and I was wearing that so much that I wasn't wearing this, so I just wanted to break into it. So there you go. I did get it down just a little bit. The next one you guys will be shocked at is the Clean Reserved Whipped Cherry. Looks like this. I used a lot of this. When I showed it to you guys, it was full, right? Now it's down to here. So that shows you how much of it that I used. Okay, So before it was full, now it's down to here, if y'all can see. Hopefully it's not blurry. I used a lot of this. When I first got this, I was like, I'm not sure, but it has grown on me for sure. It's grown on me for sure. So let me tell you why I use so much of this, because when I used it, I happened to have, and this is going to be the one and only combination I'm going to tell you about in this video. But when I used it, I went in with this Dove Replenishing Body Bar. It is the dragon fruit and coconut cream scent that looks like this. I went in with that body bar, guys. The body wash, I want to think that it either was this body wash or it was another fruit one. Maybe it was the cherry one. Maybe it was the cherry and chia milk. Maybe it was the cherry and chia milk body wash. So I went in with that. Then I put on the oil, and then I went in and put on this pistache body cream, which I've been trying to use up. And it smells like pistachios. So I put that on, guys. And then I sprayed the whipped cherry fragrance from Clean Reserve on. Smelled really good. And then I topped it with the Late de Coco perfume by Lemon Gourmand. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or not, but this is what it looks like. I topped it with this, so it's kind of creamy. A little bit of coconut, kind of creamy, milky, just smells really good. So it went real good with the whipped part of the whipped cherry. Guys, it may not sound good to you, but it smelled really good. It lasted really long on my skin. And when I just happened to, like I said, just put them together because, you know, it was in my bathroom or whatever, and it smelled so good, I was like, oh shoot, I need to do that again. So then I got hooked on this and started using this so much. And that's another reason why I didn't get to these other ones a lot, because I almost used this up and I was like, well dang, I don't want to use it all the way up. I want to save a little bit of it. But that combo is really good. So if you want a kind of a sweet cherry but creamy like scent to you, that's a good one. That's a good combo. So there you go. Okay, so that was the whipped cherry. So I used a lot of that. Next one that I mentioned in my on my September tray is the Ellis Brooklyn Myth. That looks like this. Now, when I showed y'all this, the Myth was up to here. It was up to like the top of the black label. So it was like a little, about almost full, less than an inch gone. Now it's down to here. So I did use a lot of it. If y'all can see, I have used it. Okay. And I love this stuff. I love this. It smells so good. This is a unisex scent, so it will smell good on a man or a woman, but it's not so masculine that I feel like I smell like a man. It just smells clean and fresh and bright. And then in the beginning, and then it warms down into some like musky tones, a little bit of musk, and oh man, it just smells good. I like this. So this is one that's an easy reach. If you don't know what to wear, you can put this on, smell good, feel fresh all day. So there you go. All right, the next one, we're almost getting to the end, guys. The next one was the Givenchy Irresistible. It looks like this. It was very close to what it is now. It was a little less than an inch gone. It's still, you know, a little less than an inch gone in my opinion. But I did use this some, but again, I didn't get a chance to use it as much as I wanted to because I was using up the Libre, and this is, it's crazy. But this one is really good. This one is just really feminine and smells really good. So I wish I had used more of this, but I did it. So there you go. And then last but not least was the Amber Vanilla from the 7 Virtues. And it was about an inch gone when I showed you. Guys, now it's down to here. Now it's down to here if y'all can see. Okay, so it was up to here. Now it's down to here. So I use quite a bit of this. This is really good. This one lasts on the skin too. It just smells really, really good. So I use this. I went out a few times this month and everything, and I put this on. It smells really good. So got my use out of this. I definitely would purchase a larger size of this. So it is full bottle worthy in my opinion. So yeah, I was able to get through that. So guys, that is pretty much it for my September perfume DENTS. I think I did pretty good considering I don't even think I started this like at the beginning of September. I need to go back and check the date, but I don't think it was the beginning of September. So the fact that I did this toward the middle of September, I think that I used a lot, or I did pretty good considering I didn't even have a whole month to use these. So this is it, guys. Let me know how you think that I did. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any combos that you would like to use or share with us with any of these fragrances if you have them on hand. Let me know if you'll try the combo that I told you with the pistache, the whipped cherry, the Layette de Coco from Le Monde Gourmand. And I just used this oil just trying to get it used up. But I think another oil would be good if it had a little bit of a nuttiness in the oil, or even a little bit of a fruitiness in the oil because of the cherry. I think it would be fine. But yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.